Melvin. Dr. Dre said hell yeah, and I got a stamp like a postcard, word to mailman. And I know